We are from Freaky Gadgets, and today I am here with a quick review of HrX band Akami band roof. HrX band is IP67 rated and is priced Rs 1299. Have a quick look at the specs. In the box we get the HrX band, a strap, a user manual which provides connectivity details, a USB cable. No adapter is provided on the box. You have to use your smartphone charger to charge it. Coming to the band is well built and provides accurate readings. There is no HrX sensor present in the band, which is the reason behind its cheaper pricing. The battery backup is decent too. It easily lasts for a week and takes around 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100. It displays missed call, messages and time. It also got some additional features like Find My Device, etc. It needs Bluetooth to get connected to your smartphone. You need to download the MyFit app in your smartphone to connect it. Overall, it is a good overall package. It is the cheapest smart band available in India as of now. Only major concern is the lack of heart rate sensor. That's it. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.